Hi guys, just a quick video. Namimiss na namin ng Filipino food guys. So look, we're here at Salo Salo Restaurant in Cerritos. And ito yung dinner namin. I have inihaw na baboy. And then I have yung original nilang crispy pork ribs. And then I have their really good lechon kawale. And pancit bihon quesado. And their garlic fried rice. And there's Austin. So we're going to eat this guys. Kasi nakikrave na kami ng Filipino food. No? Masarap talaga yung food nila dito guys. Pero walang tao kasi alanganin yung oras.
It's early pa.
Kasi it's so early. Anong oras na Austin?
6:19.
Kasi it's only 6:19. So, ayan. Hindi pa siya ready for dinner yung mga tao. So anyways, we're eating here. Ay, yung talong. There's talong. Pero guys, hindi ako kumakain ng talong na ganyan. Gusto ko lang sa talong torta. Pero inihaw hindi ako kumakain. Pero that's free kasi may sides. So anyways guys, masarap dito yung lechon kawali nila. Kasi mga ibang restaurants dito, hindi ganun kasarap mag lechon kawali. Pero itong place na to guys, pag gumagawa sila ng lechon kawali, masarap talaga. Kuhang-kuha nila yung lechon kawali sa Philippines. At saka ito guys, nila to, sarili nilang recipe to. Siya, pork ribs na parang may batter. And it's really good. Crispy siya. And then there's the inihaw. And then, masarap tong pansit nila. Very flavorful. Pero ngayon lang ako nakakita guys ng pansit na merong boiled egg sa taas. Pero we've had this a few times. Masarap talaga. So, ayan, si Austin ready na siyang kumain. So, tingnan natin. Ayan. So, we're gonna eat this, guys. So, guys, kamusta na kayo? Ano nang balita sa inyo? So, anyways, guys, I just wanted to tell you, dito sa States, mahirap makahanap ng masarap na pansit. Usually, it depends kung ano nagluluto, kung sino nagluluto, at kung taga saan sa Philippines yung nagluluto. Pero Salo-Salo and the Goldilocks here dito sa California, sa area namin, masarap silang magpansit. Pero ang Salo-Salo talaga, masarap silang gumawa ng lechon kawali nga, and yung pansit nila masarap talaga. Ayan. Ikaw, Austin, anong favorite mo na food nila dito? Yung lechon ribs and kawali, no? So, anyways, nang balita? Kamusta na mga buhay-buhay kung nasaan man kayo? Anyways, guys, just wanted to tell you pala, we're going to the Philippines in like a couple of months, ulit. And hopefully, hindi ganun kainit when we get there. But anyways, anong favorite Filipino food nyo, guys? Ako, ito talaga. The lechon kawali. It's so hard to find a good lechon kawali here. Kaya nga, I'm like so happy. Masarap sila gumawa ng lechon kawali dito. Parang Philippines. Ayan. So guys, we're done eating. Kita mo, konti lang nabawasan. Ang bilis namin kumain. We didn't even really eat the meat. Ang kinain namin mostly was yung pansit. Kasi minsan, like, actually, sa totoo lang, guys, kaya ko pa kainin yan. Ayoko na lang kasi maraming taba. So, kailangan i-taste mo yung sarili mo, no? Pero alam ko, yung mga ibang Pilipinos, my goodness, pag nakakita ng mga lechon kawali na ganyan, sige, hala! So anyways, guys, we just wanted to say hello. Nangangamusta lang ako sa inyo. Kasi matagal naman ako hindi nag-post ulit, no? Kasi wala naman mga ganap eh. I just wanted to show you guys what we're having for dinner. So, ayan. May konting kanin pa na leftover. Actually, yung rice nila, it wasn't a lot. Pero hindi naman kami masyadong malakas sa rice or dyan. What we ate a lot most was this. So anyways, guys, we have our tickets now for the Philippines and Thailand. So we'll see you guys there in a couple of months. The only thing is though, Austin, hindi tayo ganun katagal sa Philippines this time. Sa Manila talaga, actually, mga lang kami, mga 7 days. Kasi 2 weeks lang yung vacation namin, so 1 week kami sa Thailand. And then like less than 7 days, like mga probably 6 days na tayo sa Manila talaga, no? When we get back, yeah.
When we get back.
Yeah, so we're just staying in Manila.
Monday naman tayo.
Yeah. So we're just staying in Manila. You know, pag punta namin sa Philippines, hindi kami pupunta kung saan-saan kasi limited lang yung time namin. So anyways guys, thank you for watching our short vlogs. And uwi na kami. Uwi na kami kasi I have to give Austin a haircut. Ang haba na ng hair ni Austin. Bye guys, thank you for watching. I hope all is well. Bye!